Cosplay World, back when we're talking about coating our PVC sheeting, whether we're adding a detail or doing a combined work or possibly gluing it. The trick here is getting stuff to stick to the surface, and a PVC sheet is not the most sticky surface, but it can be difficult to actually get stuff to stick to for a long period of time. You can probably get most paints to stick to it initially, no problem, but we want to make sure that it stays there and isn't easy to scratch off. And the first step is obviously to sand it. You can hit it with a low grit, or sorry, like a 100 grit sandpaper, and that'll get the job done. And depending on what you're looking for, we don't want to mar up the surface too bad because that will affect the finish. Although if you're adding latex or something really thick to it, that's probably not a huge issue. You just want the latex to stick and not peel off after, 2 or 3 hours in the costume. The other thing that we can do is if you overheat it, you can see it dimpling. It will go from a shiny texture to a more matte texture and progressively get more and more texture as it's overheated. You generally don't want to do that unless you're going for something specific, but that is an option if you'd like to get, if you don't want to mark the surface, you want a more uniform-ish, or a different way to do it. Yeah, basically it's just a different way to add texture to your PVC sheeting so we can then add stuff to. Oh, I hope this helps you. Good times to all. Hit that sub button for more cosplay tutorials, con coverage, and general cosplay madness.